First of all, what is current? Current born when voltage is applied in a circuit. The applied voltage is the starting mechanism. If 1 coulomb charge passes through a plane in 1 second, then the flow of charge or current is said to be 1 ampere. From this we can write I equals Q over T. Here Q equals charge and T is time. We measure current as ampere. Flow of electric current is nothing but the flow of electron. So electron flow equals flow of current. Let's draw a circuit. A battery with positive and negative sides connected with a wire. Here is a bulb and the circuit is grounded. We know electrons flow from negative to positive, same as current. In this circuit, the value of R2, R3 and R4 are same. To find the total resistance, here N is the number of same resistor. R is the value of those same resistor. Now we can write 5 ohm plus 3 times 3. So 14 is the total resistance of this circuit. Now we are going to solve total resistance of equivalent circuit for parallel circuit. Suppose this is a parallel circuit. The value of R1 equals 3 ohm, R2 is 3 ohm, and R3 is also 3 ohm. So we are going to use this formula. RT equals R over N. R is the value of the resistor, N number of resistor. Here R is 3. The number of resistor is 1, 2 and 3. One ohm is the total resistance of this parallel circuit. Now we are going to learn an important topic. In series circuit, the value of current in all resistor will same. Let's draw another circuit. In this circuit, we have a voltage source of 20 volt and 3 resistor, and the circuit is grounded. Here flows the total current, Is. From Ohm's law, we know Is equals E over RT. Then what's the value of RT? E equals 20 volt. RT is 3 plus 4 plus 6 ohm. So we have Is equals 1.53 ampere. Here in R1, what is the value of V1, V2 and V3? Now we can write V1 equals I1 R1, and we know in series circuit the value of current in all resistor will same. So Is R1 1.53, the value of Is times R1 3 ohm equals 4.53 0.59 volt. Similarly, V2 equals I2 R2 equals IS R2. 1.53 times 4 ohm equals 6.12 volt, and V3 equals I3 R3 equals IS R3. 1.53 times 6 ohm equals 9.18 volt. Now, in parallel circuit, the value of voltage of each resistor will same. Let's draw a parallel circuit. In this circuit, we have a voltage source of 24 volt and 3 resistors in parallel. Here flows the IS, and the current will divide into I1, I2 and I3. From Ohm's law, we know IS equals E over RT. The value of E is 24 volt and the value of RT is so the value of our total resistance is 4.2 ohm and the total current is 5.71 ampere. Now, what is the value of I1? From Ohm's law, we know I1 equals V1 over R1. We can also write E over R1. The value of voltage source is 24 volt and the value of R1 is 10 ohm. So the value of I1 is 2.4 ampere. Now, what is the value of I2? Similarly, I2 equals V2 over R2. We can write E over R2. The value of voltage source 24 volt and the value of R2 is 15 ohm. So the value of I2 is 1.6 ampere. Now I3 equals V3 over R3 equals E over R3. The value of voltage source 24 volt and the value of R3 is 14 ohm. So the value of I3 is 1.7 ampere. So the value of voltage in each resistor will always same.